Hello there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Here you'll find DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, videos of my cats, and all the beautiful chaos of my real-life endeavors. Nothing's perfect here. I'm just figuring it out as I go and sharing the messy magic along the way. If that sounds like something you are into, subscribe and follow so we can keep growing and learning together. Looking for a spooky, cute, budget-friendly Halloween decoration? This DIY Yarn Ghost Garland is the perfect way to add a touch of ghostly charm to your home this spooky season. Made with simple supplies like yarn, pom-poms, and jute rope, this craft is easy enough for kids, but stylish enough for adults to display at Halloween parties, on your fireplace mantel, across doorways, or even in the classroom. Whether you're a beginner crafter or a Halloween DIY pro, this adorable Yarn Ghost banner will be a boo-tiful addition to your Halloween decor. Supplies needed: white yarn, piece of cardboard, scissors, black mini pom-poms, hot glue gun or craft glue, jute rope or twine. Let's get started. Wrap the yarn, take your piece of construction paper and wrap white yarn around it about 20 times. This will form the body of your ghost. Cut the loops, slide the yarn off the roll carefully. Use scissors to cut through the bottom loops of the yarn so they hang freely. Form the ghost's head, take a small piece of yarn and tie it about 1 inch down from the top, creating a round head shape for your ghost. Tie tightly and not securely. Add the spooky face glue on 2 black pom-poms for the eyes and 1 for the nose. Repeat the process, create at least 4 ghosts, but feel free to make as many as you'd like depending on the length of your garland. String the garland, cut a piece of jute rope or twine to your desired garland length. Slide the top of each ghost's head onto the rope, spacing them evenly. Hang your ghostly garland across a mantel, window, mirror, or party table for instant Halloween spirit. Making your own Yarn Ghost Garland is more than just a cute Halloween craft. It's a memory-making project that adds handmade charm to your holiday decorations. These little ghosts can flutter across your mantel, brighten up a doorway, or even be strung above a snack table at your Halloween party. With the option to use glow-in-the-dark yarn or mix in different colors, you can customize your garland. Simple, affordable, and fun for all ages, this garland is the perfect way to bring a little ghostly magic into your home this Halloween season. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe and stick around so we can craft and cook through the holidays together. I've got so many fun DIYs, recipes, and cozy ideas coming your way. Don't forget to check out my older videos too. There's plenty of holiday magic waiting for you there. Let's make this year messy, fun, and full of memories.
See you next time.